Welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Escape FX, and today I'll be explaining you one of the two trades that I took during NFP, and also I'll be giving you a nugget that no one's talking about, and I believe that it's one of the most important nugget to know as a forex trader. All right, I'm currently in this trade right now. My stop loss is at my entry point right here, so I'm waiting for the market to go and hit my target or go back to my entry point and stop me out at break even. All right, if it goes to target, it is what it is, and if it goes to my break even level, it is what it is. All right, so before we start, I'm gonna let you read the disclaimer first. All right, as you know already, I am not a financial advisor, and this YouTube channel and this YouTube video is for entertainment purposes only. All right, and also, if it's your first time listening to my video, welcome to my channel. The purpose of my channel and the purpose of my videos is to give for free what everyone is selling for thousands of dollars. All right, and the only thing I ask in return is if you get value from a video, if you like the video, please tell a friend about me, add me on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I think it's a pretty fair deal. Before I show you the trade, I'll be explaining you the nugget that no one's talking about. And the reason why no one is talking about it is because they want you to stay dependent from their mentorships and dependent from their courses. And my goal here is to make you an independent trader. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Good? So when you come to your charts, all right, you need to be looking at the market without having any bias. What I mean by that is that you cannot be bullish, you cannot be bearish. You need to be looking at the market and how it moves and how it traps people. Good. So when you're looking at the market, you're gonna note some places where the market could reverse, how you could have entered the market based on the knowledge you know. And at the end of the day, all right, now it's the time to take a picture with all your markups of where you could have entered, like this one, and where could have been the entries right here. How you can have entered right here, and how you could have target this low. And explaining in your own thoughts how you could have done that based on the knowledge you know. This is what I call active backtesting, and you need to do this every day to build your own knowledge and to build your own intuition. When you have 1 year or 2 years of backtesting like this, you will see your trading journey won't be the same. You will be a very different trader, and you will be an independent trader. Good? And that's what you want to be. All right? So this is how you do it. So first, you open your chart. You don't need to have a position. You don't need to take any position in the market. You note where you want to enter, where could have been entries. And after that, at the end of the day, you put your markups of how you could have entered and how you could have targeted this high, and explaining in your own thoughts how you could do this. Good? So this is a nugget that no one's talking about because they want you to take some mentorships. They want you to buy their courses. But in reality, what's going to make you a good trader is very simple. It's watch live price action and build your own knowledge based on what you see and what you know already. All right. So with that being said, now let me go and jump to this trade that I took on NFP. And I'll be explaining you the psychology behind the trade, which is a little bit different. So NFP is a news that releases the first Friday of every month, and usually the NFP trade are psychological trap. And what I mean by psychological trap is they want to excite people and they also want to scare people. So as the market open and the news releases, you can see the market goes down, leaving this low open. So they are not taking this low, and you see there's a big push up taking out this high. So now a lot of people are buying the market because it's a new high. So we have a breakout and this is the new low. So obviously there's going to be a lot of stop loss right here, and also there's going to be a lot of people who's going to enter the market for a short position because they are excited and they want to target this low and this low right here. Perfect. So now I call them the smart money people who are trying to short the market and execute the market. So this is where the market is exciting people and where the people are trying to short the market. And this is where they are scaring the people who are in the buy position. You see, there's where they're exciting, the excitement, and this is where they are scaring people. Good. So now look at how much time they are spending inside this range right here. This is purposely made for people to take a position inside the market, a sell position or a buy position. So they are letting people the time to be bearish or to be bullish. All right. Now we need to wait for the market to break out this high right here or this low right here. Which one, we don't care, but we need to wait for one of the two range to be broken. All right. So now that you can see that the range got broke on the high side right here, you can be using the entry model 1, which I explain very well in my free PDF course on my Instagram, or you could have used this type of entry. Now, I'm not going to be explaining you this type of entry. The reason why is that you need to figure out by yourself. Like I said, I want to build an independent trader in you. I don't want to give everything for free. I don't want to put everything in your mouth. All right. I want you to learn by yourself and build your own knowledge. Right. I'm already giving a lot of things for you to study. And now the part that you need to do is to study what I'm showing. Good. So now you could have target this low right here or target this low right here. Obviously, this is the preferred low that will be target because this is where the stop loss are from the retail stop loss for the NFP trade. But this low is a beautiful target too because this is the push that led to the breakout. Beautiful. So now this was my target. I was happy with a 1 to 14. Like I said, I could have targeted the low right here, which was the preferred low right here. But like I said, I am not greedy with my trades, and I take my profit when the market gives me the opportunity to do so. So now the psychology behind the trade is very simple. Here is where they excite people, and here is where they scare people that are in the buy position. And here is the time that they are spending for letting people enter the market in a buy position or a sell position. So this is the place where you don't want to be, and those are the places you want to be targeting or entering. Good. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it help you with your knowledge, and hope you understand also the nugget that I am telling you, which is to be an independent trader. So just to make a little resume, you need to be looking at the market without having any bias, and at the end of the day, when the day end, mark up where you could have entered based on the knowledge you know, and on the knowledge you will be discovering during your journey. And after that, build yourself a journal, document everything, and build yourself a library that you can refer yourself anytime. All right, so I hope it makes sense. So I'll wish you a good trading week. So enjoy, guys.